Hello, health enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into a daily habit that many of us may have experienced at some point: skipping meals. But before you dismiss it as a harmless time-saving trick, stick around, because what we're about to uncover might just change the way you view those skipped lunches or rushed breakfasts. Ever find yourself caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, sacrificing a meal here and there? Well, you're not alone. The act of skipping meals has become a commonplace strategy for many, whether it's due to a busy schedule, weight loss goals, or simply overlooking the importance of regular eating. But is this seemingly innocent habit taking a toll on more than just our time management? Today, we're exploring the intricate relationship between skipping meals, nutrient deficiencies, and the delicate dance of our metabolism. It's time to uncover the science behind our eating habits and understand why, in the realm of health, skipping might not always be winning. Let's first unravel the common reasons behind why many of us find ourselves skipping meals. Life's hustle and bustle often leave us racing against the clock, with work commitments, family responsibilities, and social engagements taking center stage. This fast-paced lifestyle can inadvertently lead to neglected meals. From juggling work deadlines to managing household chores, the reasons are plentiful. But what impact do these choices have on our overall health? Our bodies, intricate biological clocks that they are, thrive on consistency. Whether it's breakfast with the sunrise or dinner as the day winds down, adhering to a regular meal schedule aligns with our natural circadian rhythms. These internal clocks not only dictate our sleep-wake cycles but also influence how our bodies metabolize food. So, what happens when we throw off this delicate balance? Let's explore the fascinating interplay between meal timing and our biological rhythms. When we disrupt this natural flow by irregular meal timing or, in the case of skipping meals, we throw our internal clocks into disarray. The body's metabolism, intricately linked with these circadian rhythms, can experience fluctuations that extend beyond digestion. Hormones, blood sugar levels, and even our ability to burn calories efficiently can be influenced by when we choose to nourish ourselves. So, the next time you consider bypassing a meal in the name of time management, remember that you're not just skipping a moment to eat. You're potentially disrupting the finely tuned orchestra of your body's internal clocks. Now that we've touched on the importance of regular meal timing, let's zoom in on the first meal of the day, breakfast. They say it's the most important meal, and for good reason. Breakfast not only breaks the overnight fast but sets the tone for the day ahead. So, what happens when we decide to hit the snooze button on our morning nourishment? Skipping breakfast might seem like a harmless time-saving strategy, but it can have profound effects on our bodies. Picture this. After a night of rejuvenation, our bodies need a replenishment of nutrients to kickstart the day. When we skip this vital meal, we deprive ourselves of the essential energy and nutrients needed for optimal functioning. But it's not just about missing out on energy. Skipping breakfast can lead to a dip in blood sugar levels, leaving us feeling lethargic and irritable. Our brains, in particular, rely on a steady supply of glucose, and a well-balanced breakfast ensures we start the day with mental clarity and focus. When we skip meals, we're not just missing out on calories. We're potentially depriving our bodies of essential vitamins and minerals that play a vital role in maintaining optimal health. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine, requiring a diverse array of nutrients to function at its best. Skipping meals disrupts this delicate balance, potentially leading to deficiencies in key elements like iron, calcium, vitamin D, and more. These deficiencies can have far-reaching effects on our immune system, bone health, and overall well-being. Our metabolism, the intricate process of converting food into energy, is finely tuned to our eating patterns. What happens when we throw a curveball into this delicate dance? Skipping meals can send our metabolism into a state of flux. When we deprive our bodies of consistent fuel, it reacts by slowing down certain processes, affecting how efficiently we burn calories. In other words, that seemingly innocent decision to skip a meal can have a domino effect on our metabolic rate and, consequently, our ability to manage weight. As we near the conclusion of our exploration into the impact of skipping meals, let's shine a spotlight on a proactive solution. In the chaotic symphony of our daily lives, finding time for nutritious meals can often feel like a challenge. That's where the art of meal prep steps in, offering a strategic approach to ensure we meet our nutritional needs. Meal prep isn't just a trendy Instagram-worthy activity. It's a practical and effective way to take control of our eating habits. By dedicating a small portion of our time to plan and prepare meals in advance, we empower ourselves with the tools needed to make healthier choices throughout the week. One of the standout advantages of meal prep is its time-saving magic. By dedicating a specific block of time, perhaps on a Sunday afternoon or a quiet evening, you're able to plan and prepare multiple meals for the upcoming week. This means less time spent in the kitchen during hectic weekdays and more time for you to focus on other priorities. Beyond time, there's a financial aspect to consider. Meal prep encourages mindful grocery shopping, helping you buy ingredients in bulk and reduce unnecessary impulse purchases. This not only trims your grocery bill but also minimizes food waste, contributing to a more sustainable and budget-friendly approach to eating. Ever find yourself staring at a plate, unsure of how much is too much? Meal prep solves this by allowing you to portion your meals ahead of time. This not only aids in maintaining a healthy weight but also ensures you're getting the right balance of nutrients. You become the architect of your plate, crafting meals that align with your nutritional goals. And there you have it, our exploration into the impact of skipping meals and the transformative power of meal prep and planning. If you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Your support fuels our mission to bring you informative and engaging content on health and well-being. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.